Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare Sweetcorn chaat. This chaat was very famous all over India. So come on, let's start the process. Let's start the process by adding ghee to the pan. Once ghee gets melted, now add boiled sweet corn into the pan. Now add black pepper powder. Add required amount of salt. And mix everything. Now cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Take a bowl and add cooked sweet corn into it. Add half cup of chopped tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are in, now add half cup of chopped onions. Now it's the time for adding chopped green chilies. Now add finely chopped coriander. Add half spoon of salt. Half spoon of coriander powder. Half spoon of red chili powder. Add half spoon of chaat masala. Now mix everything. Now squeeze some lemon juice. Finally, mix everything. Now transfer this sweet corn chaat into a serving plate. Garnish with chopped coriander and save. Finally, the sweet corn chaat was ready.